If you've ever combined a bunch of shapes in Tinkercad and now need to edit them separately, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ungroup in Tinkercad step by step, so you can take a grouped object apart and work with each individual shape again. This is super useful when you want to move one part, resize a single piece, or make a small change without starting over. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Tinkercad design and locate the grouped object you want to separate. A grouped object usually acts like one solid model, even though it may be made from several different shapes. Click once on the group to select it. When it's selected, you'll usually see the blue outline around the entire object, which tells you that the whole group is active and ready for editing. Now that the group is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You should see the Ungroup button, and it looks like a circle and a square breaking apart. That icon is what you need to split the group back into its original pieces. Go ahead and click that Ungroup icon. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and G on Windows, or Command, Shift, and G on Mac. That shortcut does the exact same thing and is a faster option once you get used to it. As soon as you ungroup the object, Tinkercad separates the individual shapes that were combined together. Each piece becomes its own separate entity again, which means you can click, move, resize, rotate, or delete each one independently. If the group was made from single-color shapes, you may also notice the original colors return after ungrouping. That's a good sign that the parts are now separated properly. If the object does not ungroup the way you expected, make sure you clicked the actual grouped model and not just one shape inside it. In some cases, you may need to ungroup more than once if you have nested groups. That simply means one group was inside another group, so you'll need to repeat the process until every layer is separated the way you want it. Once your shapes are ungrouped, you can make your edits freely. You might adjust the position of one part, change the size of another, or even regroup them again after making your changes. To group them again later, just select the shapes and use the Group tool. That makes it easy to switch back and forth while you refine your design. And that's all there is to it. Ungrouping in Tinkercad is fast, simple, and really helpful when you need more control over your 3D design. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly Tinkercad tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.